Yo, what's up, everybody? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the video. Thank you guys so much for checking me out. If you guys haven't seen me before, you guys would consider dropping a like and sub. This is my fourth week now making YouTube videos and streaming stocks on the internet. So just trying to really get things going. I couldn't make it here today until Power Hour, but I made it in time for today. We're here now for Power Hour, and what happens when I'm not here? Oh my goodness. What is this market? Holy cow, there is so much red in the market today. Things are falling apart without me here. Not much green in the market today, but lots and lots and lots of red. Oh my goodness, Tesla down 5%, Nvidia down 3.2%, and Microsoft down 2%, or 4.5% for Tesla before somebody yells at me. 1.86% on Amazon. My gosh, what a day, what a day. SPY still coming down. I have some SPY puts, so that is awesome. Happy to see that. GME currently at 22.49. Not really doing too much. We did pop up to 22.75 beginning of the today, but still trading right around 22.50. Not loving that. What else do we got? Siri ended up coming down further today, but I am very bullish for Siri. I think that we're gonna go up starting tomorrow and then into their merger on 9/9. So that's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. FFIE was one of the big winners today. FFIE just going crazy. Look at that move. Sexy move from FFIE. That's nuts. We also have Lucid Motors today. Lucid Motors doing really good. Almost to that $4 mark at last. Hey, welcome back, Majanon. Really nice to see you today. Thank you so much for coming in. Sorry I'm so late today. I hope your day wasn't too bad today. Congrats on Lucid, though. Lucid doing really nice. I don't know what your price target is that you're trying to hold this to, but looking good so far. Gonna keep jumping around here, keep checking things out today. I haven't really got to see much at all with the market. Dollar ended up coming down even... Wait, no, sorry. I forgot there's no clear distinction for pre-market. So yeah, we did climb a little bit on the dollar today, mostly because the SPY's selling out. Lovely, lovely. Oh, we actually ended up coming up again. Darn it, we were coming down a moment ago. Maybe we're just testing this line for resistance. Hopefully. Maybe it's even a bull trap forming, even better. Hard to really say right now. Market could go either way at the moment because there was so much dropping from SPY today. But tomorrow is Jackson Hole speakers, so I kind of do think that the SPY is going to keep dropping, but who knows? I'm still holding on to some of my puts. Trying to come back up now. Rotro Rorge. Rotro. Would I sell or keep holding? I would probably keep holding Lucid. Yeah, I think that there's still more to be had from Lucid. Maybe, you know, the last time we went green daily on Lucid, we went up to like 450. I would say that that's still a safe bet. And then whether or not we break through there, I'm not too sure. You know, let me actually get a better look here, though. Yeah, so second day right now, we have lots of momentum to the upside right now for the green daily MACD. Really not showing any sign of weakness yet. Now we look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour also looking fantastic to the upside. No sign of weakness yet. Not curling down at all. Same thing with the 2 hour. So yeah, I would definitely keep holding that. That's looking really good. I wouldn't worry about that right now. You know, obviously do what's best for you, not financial advice, but, you know, going by the MACD, it looks like it still has more in it. It's just taking a light breather at the moment. Same thing with my, just as an example, kind of, I guess the same thing with my SPY today. I really wanted to sell my SPY all day today, all day long, but then I was looking at the 4 hour and I'm just like, okay, well, we're not getting weakness yet. And like, when I was looking earlier, it was like 557 or something. So, or 559 even. So, I just had to remind myself, 2 hour daily MACD showing momentum to the downside, not fading yet. 1 hour MACD, momentum to the downside, not fading yet, so I'm still holding my SPY. 30 minutes starting to curl up. That has me a little bit nervous, but until I see this 1 hour or this 2 hour start curling up, I'm not gonna get nervous about it. Just gonna keep holding till at least I see those curling up. So yeah, I would say that you're probably pretty good still. We're gonna see though how silly I am for this though, because right now we got this. Did come up, test our line, and coming back down could just be a really big bull trap forming. We'll see. Hey, Warlord Mohican! You so smart, brother. How you doing, man? I'm so happy to see you. How's your day going? I hope you're enjoying your day off. Good afternoon, Mr. Canny. Good afternoon. How you doing, Cannabis? Appreciate you coming in. I didn't even announce the stream. You're popping in here like the real homie that you are. Happy to see you, sir. Happy to see you. GME finally starting to come to life. All right, that's great news. That's great news for us. 2257. Let's go, Jimmy. Push up. Give us a great power hour. 56 minutes left in the day today. We have plenty of time to push this up still. It's been pretty wonderful. Hey, I'm so happy to hear that, man. I'm so happy to hear that. That is wonderful news. Yeah, I'm getting some nice surprises in the market today. I'm happy. Still got to jump around and check a bunch of things still. Well, let's keep taking a look around here. Siri started pushing up a little bit ago. I might add to my Siri position today, but I'm so distracted I haven't really done anything yet. Nvidia's been coming down. I do want to look at Nvidia's. Nvidia's really important for me to understand what the SPY is going to do. Momentum on the downside. Yep, 1 hour, 2 hour looking the same. You got these lower time frames showing positive momentum, but until these are all down, I think I'm just going to hold on to my SPY. I still got a couple days on them, or at least maybe till the end of today. We'll see what happens. Or no, end of tomorrow, I mean. Or till tomorrow. I gotta look up and see when the Jackson Hole speakers actually start speaking tomorrow, because that will affect the markets in some way. So I gotta figure out when that is. Yeah, I hope so. My electricity's on, and I guess I should go check the power website to go make sure they're not being like, oh, hey, we're gonna turn it off again, but should be fine now, I would imagine. They said the 2 dates, past the 2 dates. Which, by the way, that's a really stupid, silly thing to me, by the way. Who goes and checks their power company website on the regular when there's nothing going wrong? Why was I even supposed to know that first power outage was coming? They should, like, send a letter. Why on earth would I know? Like, I'm not gonna just, like, refresh the power company website every day I wake up. That's so silly. But yeah, we're gonna keep checking back on that. Let me see what Amy's up to today. Amy at 496. Still looking awful. I saw Richard Newton posted another 50-minute video today. I didn't really watch most of it. I just watched like 5 minutes of it. But something, one of his takes that I liked is that they're holding it at 2250 because one of the hedgies or somebody really needs it held there, or they're gonna go under. So I like that theory. Means that we're really, really close. I also posted some new theories, by the way, or at least a new theory about Roaring Kitty's memes and things under tinfoil. In short, just thinking that starting this Friday, I think is the turnaround. After this Friday. I could be wrong, but I'm optimistic for next week, and then it lines up with 9:30 really well, 8:30 really well. So that's really exciting. That's the one part in everything that I've been upset about, is that I couldn't make his memes work with 8:30, his emojis. But now with my new theory, it works with 8:30, so Hopefully that ends up working out. Hold on one second. I gotta turn off this music. Alright, let me check a couple things here while I'm over here really fast. Okay, so the yen did come down a tiny bit, as expected. Yeah, it's pretty decent. We don't need to look at news right now. Let's look at PCC. PCC right now is at 0.88855. More, like, look at out, like, right here is your, like, we started the day at 0.72. It's just such a great point for them to push down the market. I didn't even see this morning, but if I would have saw this, I'd have been like, oh god, the market's coming down. Obviously, we've been down here before without the market coming down, but, you know, take a bunch of signs into account. But yeah, so more puts ended up flooding into the market throughout the day. It looks like more calls are now coming back in. I do want to check cost to borrow really quick. Ew. Ew, brother. Ew, what is that? Alright, we're not going to talk about that one. It's okay, GME is the only one that matters. AMC's stupid. Alright, so GME at 0.41. Not the best, but whatever. We're fine. Starting next week, we're going to start climbing. And it's going to be bullish and all that jazz. I'm not worried. It's fine. Market's going to burn down next week. It's fine. Let me just look at reg show because I'm here. I mean, I guess why not? Alright. Don't really recognize anything new that's standing out to me. Let me just look at this really quick because I'm here also, just kind of curious. I tried looking up backwards deep fucking value last night. That didn't amount to anything, just for the record. Alright, I just wanted to see if this stuff changed at all. Cool. Le Surgeon! Oh my god! I'm sorry, Surgeon! I'm sorry! Oh my god, Surgeon, I missed you until now! I'm so sorry! Oh my god! I missed you. I'm so sorry, man. I got distracted by Majinon asking the Lucid thing, and then I thought that when I looked up, I saw blue name. That was stupid. And I skipped past that because I saw Warlord and DA. I'm sorry, Le Surgeon. Welcome. I don't know why I pulled this on screen. Welcome, Cosplay Tog, as well. Welcome. Thank you guys so much for coming in. I'm sorry I was so distracted there. I apologize. I really do. I just definitely didn't see you. As soon as I saw Machino and I looked for you, and I didn't see immediately. But yeah, I thought of you. I just didn't see your name. Thank you so much, brother. I really do appreciate it. It's never intentional, I promise. Never. I just have partial dyslexia or something. I don't know what it is. It's like it's invisible to me. Ugh. I hate it. Cosplay Tog and DA, they've seen me long enough. They know they've seen it from me 100 times before. It just happens, and I can't stop it. Despite my best effort. But I will keep trying to be better. I'm so sorry. On Twitch, it's a little easier too sometimes because I can set it that each message like alternates shading in the background, so then like my mind like remembers where the shading was that I looked at last, but I haven't figured out how to do that on YouTube yet. So GME 2255 pushing up. We went all the way down to 2231 today. What a crappy day. Was nobody here trying to call for rockets and pushing this back up? What were they doing? What were the other YouTubers doing? Too busy praising themselves and their big hearts or something? I don't know, but I'm glad we're here. I'm glad we got the crew together again. Let's get some life back into GME. I'm gonna drop some rockets in the chat here and see if we can turn this around. Anybody wants to join? Yo, welcome to. I do gotta keep an eye on Spy today. I gotta decide whether or not I'm gonna exit my position here today. I don't really want to, though. I kind of want to keep holding one more day, but I feel like I might be getting a little greedy with my spy blitz. Better just take what's given to me and be happy with it. Too busy praising myself. Yeah, I appreciate you, Warlord Mohican. Appreciate you, Bajano. Appreciate you so much, Le Surgeon. But yeah, let's take a look at the broader market here. Let's see what's going on in the broader market. Just bloody. Nvidia down 3% today, all the way down to 124.45. Barely any green in the market. I mean, this is technically green, but it doesn't look like it's green because I changed the dark mode. Tesla down 4.5% almost. Crazy. All right, I do want to start taking a look into TLT and silver. Treasuries, new high, 97.78. Silver came back down from yesterday. Yesterday we had a big spike in silver. Gold, on the other hand, came down a little bit. Not really doing too much. I'm tempted to I'm tempted to take out an Nvidia call here coming up, but I'm kind of want to wait till after tomorrow, maybe even Monday. Not sure. Lucid almost to that $4 mark. Came up to $3.97. I think there's a good chance we're gonna break through that today. Sideways trading, yay! Yeah, what up, Assidious? Yeah. I really do think that after tomorrow, the whole market's gonna have a problem. I'm really curious actually, because tomorrow marks T+35 after the CrowdStrike event. So I'm really intrigued to see what we're gonna see tomorrow, if that'll even do anything at all. You would think that we would probably see something from that. So really interested to see what the market does tomorrow. I don't really know what to expect. All right. What did the VIX jump to today? Up to 18. Start of the day. From 1590 to 18. Not too crazy. Oh, sorry, my phone's going off. I'll be right back. 45 minutes left in the day. 44 minutes. Power hour is here. Boy, look at FFIE coming to life. What a crazy monster. Good job, FFIE. Good job. Hollow again, big ripping to the upside. Called this one out a couple times. Not that I knew it was really going to do this, but just the fact that I had 165% short interest. This totally makes sense when you take that into account. I have no idea what this company is though. Costs still pushing up slightly on the day. Let me see what Chewy's up to. Chewy had a terrible day. Sorry, Chewy. But yeah, Richard Newton feels that they're holding us here because somebody's gonna get margin called if it goes up above 22 or 2250 or so. And I like that theory. I like thinking that they're right on the line of being margin called. I like that. So all we gotta do is go to 2350 chat. We're gonna margin call them. Go break your piggy banks. Not financial advice. I'm totally kidding. Did you see that post on the 120 million shares? No, I didn't. Can you put it in the chat and I'll look at it? At least not a recent one. I didn't see anything today or yesterday about it. We're so close though, family. I really believe it. I feel so much stronger about 9:30 now that I've been able to work out the emoji timeline in my own head. And so I really think it's coming next week. Like, I basically thought it was coming next week, but I was like questioning it, like, oh, maybe it's coming later in September though, and like 9:30 is just the start. No, I think it's, I mean, I don't know if I want to say it's definitely coming 9:30, but we're so close. Less than 2 weeks. I'm almost throwing my other theory out at the window now. I don't think we're necessarily 5 weeks anymore. I think it's just 2. Just 2 weeks. Very exciting. Maybe not, but well, not very exciting. Sorry, it's my first coffee today. I'm like so excited to sip on coffee, so trying to chug it as much as I can. Starbucks has been stair-stepping their way down, making lower highs. Not really doing too much though. Still waiting for SPY to start dropping off a little bit more here. Currently 556.40. I might sell it if we break below this line here. Not that that's significant. I mean, we got a big gap to the bottom. That's part of the reason I want to hold, but I'd like to sell on a strong downtrend regardless. Lucid Motors right at that edge. Lucid's looking really nice. I'm happy you guys still held your Lucid. Looking really nice. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's gonna yell at you because it's a link. I wonder, can I see it? Hold on, let me see if I'm even in moderator mode. Oh, yep, I can see moderator activity. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Happy to see it. Think that there's even still more to come. Can't see the link. Yeah, I don't even know how to permit you. Do you want to just post in the Discord? You're in the Discord, right? Yeah, sorry everybody that wasn't here today. Tomorrow I should be on time. You know, actually, I don't know if I asked this or not. I've been meaning to ask this. Does anybody think that there's does anybody really want me here before 9:30? Like, I understand that it can be helpful a little bit. I don't really know how much I'd really want to be here, like, too early, but, you know, if people would be, like, happier if I was here at, like, 9:15 or 9, I could try to make that happen a little bit more often. But to me, like, the action starts at 9:30. That's why I'm like, you know, 9:30 is where it's at. As long as I'm here by then, that's what we're after. Yeah, Jimmy coming down. It's okay, though. Jimmy left this gap. We gotta go up and fill this gap. Haha, Jimmy, you fool. You can't go down now. There's no hope for you. Welcome to the world of magnetism. Ah, perfect. Yeah, that works out really well for me because then I could sleep to like the last possible moments. You know, just squeeze it out. Because I'm not a good person when it comes to sleeping at proper hours for proper amounts of time. I sleep when I sleep, and it's whatever my body feels like doing in that moment. And so, yeah, getting a proper amount of good sleep is really hard for me. And I've always been a night owl, so just like trying to force myself to sleep before streams in the morning, so hard. So hard. What did we miss? Did we look at costs? Not sure if we looked at costs today. Costs had a big push up back above $10, $10.20. Ended up coming down really hard though. It's at 9:30 now. I don't believe it. Yeah, sometimes. I would rather have you on the first 2 hours. In the last hour, preferably I would like you on for the pre-market. Monday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, I think that like there will be days I'll try to get here early some days. But 9:30 is just that cutoff for me. I'm gonna be here by 9:30 no matter what, unless my power goes out. Boy, XL, you didn't move at all, but like it matched Spy's movements, but it moved like 50 cents throughout the day, 70 cents. SPY coming down. Oh, I'm so happy to see it. Gosh, I'm being so greedy with my puts though. I should just sell them, but I don't want to. Super greedy.
Every message that I send you, you just leave them all read.
I was so confused for a second. I was picturing you with like real Duracell bunnies, and I was picturing you like having a company that had Duracell bunnies in or something. I think I get what you're saying though.
I'm losing my mind, yeah. I'm losing my mind in this ghost town.
Chat, I think I'm back. I gotta refresh my chat. My chat disconnected and didn't reconnect. Alright, I think I'm back now. Alright, hopefully that stops happening. I'm sorry everybody, I don't know if my internet's gonna be stable. Hopefully. Hopefully we're back now for good. I'm so sorry. Alright, awesome. Yeah, so I hope that's the last of that. My internet just disconnected twice in a row. So hopefully that doesn't continue. That's kind of annoying. That'd be really sad. Like I only need 1 hour, man. I mean, I'd really like for my internet to work more than an hour, but I'm only here for 33 more minutes. Come on, internet, keep it together. Oh my gosh, those stinking hedgies. They know the power of our family. They know the strength of this community. They're trying to stop us, chat. They're desperate. They're desperate to stop us. I understand why, too. I can taste the tendies in my mouth already. They're so close. We are so close, family. Nah, they're leaving more gaps. They don't have any hope of pushing this down. They're wasting their money. Those fools. Pushing it down way too fast. It's just gonna come right back up, fill these gaps. You know how it do. They are indeed. Those sneaky hedgies. They can't stop us though. To stop the Hodl gang movement. They can take me out and the good fight will continue through Surgeon, through Majino, through DA. They cannot stop us. My man Mohican is... Well, I think I'm back already. Alright, we're back again. I'm going through all the ETFs that hold GME and got puzzled when I found that 2 of the ETFs are inactive. I was even more surprised when ChatGPT told me that you can apparently short the underlying assets in an inactive ETF. Ugh, that's weird. I almost feel like you should like go comment that in Richard Newton's comments and see if he wants to comment on it. That's very weird. I don't even know if you heard my response there because my stinking internet. I hope it's stable now. I'm sorry, everybody. Third time's the charm, right? Third time is the charm. Short interest or FFTD if it's inactive. Gosh, that's so sneaky. They're so sneaky. That's nuts. I can't believe how sneaky that is. They just have an unlimited amount of tools. gonna skip this. You can play something that hasn't been played yet. Like this. Although this is okay.
Think about the times you let me go.
More puts flowing into the market. That makes me kind of want to exit my position. I might just do it. I feel like I've been greedy enough with these puts.
I struggle to see what your reasons are.
Just kidding. I'm gonna hold them longer. Just kidding. Ugh. Alright, but you know what? No, I'm being stupid. I'm being stupid.
Gotta find my way to you. Even though you're next to me, no matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on the water, I'm swimming hard and trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you.
I almost canceled it there, and then I canceled my order before it went through. Alright. Read your bars, Rob. Read your bars. Stop wavering. No sign of losing momentum to the downside. 30 minutes curling up, but that doesn't count. Short term is not what we're talking about here. 5 minutes curling back down. 1 minute is trying to go green, but not yet. Bullish, or not, bearish bar to the upside. The wick to the upside, that is. Came down 555, 55. Alright, yeah. Gotta keep my head in my game here. Oh, send him an email. Oh, good for you. Yeah, please let me know if he ever gets back to you. GME now 2237. Ah, you see? They had to bring down my stream in order to bring down the stock. It's okay, we're back again. We're gonna rally in a moment. Power of the HODL gang coming together. HODLers assemble. You're emailing like daily? I'm so jealous. Why are you messaging my boyfriend? No, I'm just kidding. I'm so jealous. I'm gonna start emailing him. What? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's fun. That's fun. I like him so much. He's a real nice guy. Shame, you know, I don't... Silly. Silly, silly, silly. Hopefully it's better now. I'm sorry, guys. I'd really like to not have to restart my router if I don't have to. If I'm just trying to make it 26 minutes, because it will take like 5 minutes for it to reconnect and everything. So we'll give it one more shot. Hopefully it'll start working out.